Hey guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. Alright, so before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all a couple of more things that I have gotten since the last time we have vlogged. Today's Sunday, I don't know when this is going up, but to kind of continue my haul, these denim shorts I got yesterday at Walmart. They're just like solid denim with rips right here, super cute. And then I have like a little frayed piece right here on the back pocket, and they're also frayed at the bottom. And then I got these two-toned shorts also from Walmart. I really like these a lot. I think they're so flippin' cute. And then back here on the pockets, they're also still tie-dyed, so that is so cute because it's like a light wash and a dark wash, so I'm really loving that. And then if y'all remember correctly, I loved that purple tank, but I went back and got a purple t-shirt. I went back and got a green one because I got it in a medium because I want to be able to like tuck it in with shorts instead of just wearing it on the outside. I think it'll just give it a little bit something extra. And then in my other vlog where I unboxed the like highlighter box, I got this lip one, so we're gonna unbox that right now. Here we go. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. It's really cute and pink, so let's go ahead and open it. We'll do some swatches and stuff. Again, everything that's in the box is located right here on the back. So that is super handy. And this box retails for like 10 bucks. So super cheap because you get like 5 lipsticks for 10 bucks. Which is not bad. Yes, I just threw my phone. It was getting on my nerves. Okay. Actually, I lied. You get 6 lipsticks. We will just start out with this e.l.f. one. This is in the shade Brown Sugar. Looks like this. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that smells just... Is this like a lip gloss or something? Because it is not showing up on my hand. Guys, nothing's showing up. Let's see what the box says. Okay, e.l.f. Oh, it's a lip exfoliator. Okay. Gently rub the tube over your lips in small circular motions. Wipe gently with a cotton pad and follow up with a nourishing lip balm. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, it smells just like freaking brown sugar, hence the name. Oh my gosh, that's cool. I don't know if this is gonna focus, but it's like marbled looking. Hopefully it's focusing. It's like marbled looking. I will definitely have to try this out because I have a really dry lips. So we will try that out. I also really like this matte black packaging from e.l.f. So I'm excited about that. If you can hear my dad, I apologize. He's watching the Ranger game. He gets really into it. Okay, this is a Milani lip gloss in the shade Adorable. It's just like this nudie brown. Oh my gosh, it smells like cake batter. Wow, that is pigmented. Okay, that is really pretty. Looks like that. Hopefully it's swatching okay. Alright, let's see what it says about this. Alright, Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream. Using the Amore Lip Cream double-sided plush applicator, glide the liquid matte across your lips smoothly, starting at the cupid's bow in a crisscross pattern, then along the outer corners of the lips and bottom of the lip. Well, duh. Okay. Okay, so it said it's like double-sided, and it completely is. This is really creamy. Yeah, so the doe foot looks like this. Just flip it over. So awesome. Oh my gosh, between that and this, I'm really wanting like a cupcake right now. Okay, next up we have the L'Oreal Infallible Lip Gloss in the shade... I don't even know what shade this is. It looks like this. Let's swatch it and see. What shade is this? There's got to be a shade name on here. Okay, so it has like the pointed applicator, kind of like that the big one does. Super pretty. It's just like a brown shade. Smells good, but not as good as the other ones. Let's see if this has a shade name on here. No, it just says L'Oreal Infallible Lip Gloss. This may be the cowboy shade that I already have. I'm not sure. I'll have to swatch it and see. If it is, I'll just give it to my mom though. This is such a cute little container for traveling. Perfect. Okay, next, I may already have this shade too. Alright, this is the Super Stay Matte Ink from Maybelline in the shade Dreamer. Yes, I have this. I will give this to my mom. It's just this pinky shade. Well, I'm not going to swatch it because it's really hard to get off, but it's a really pretty like rosy pink. So mom can have that. Okay, this is Sugar Sugar from Hard Candy. I believe it's a plumping serum. So that should be interesting. Never really tried a lip plumper before, so we will see how that goes. Let's see if it like plumps my hand when I swatch it. I doubt it. Kind of a sweet smell again. And it's really light. It may not show up. This is what the applicator looks like. This is more of a gloss. Yeah, you can't see it. It's just a clear pink gloss. I'm actually kind of anxious to try this. But if it's going to be like crazy tingling, this packaging is really cute. It's like a little rose gold moment, if you will. Alright, and then the last one is this Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. In the shade Barely Blush. Looks like this. If I can get it open, will be the true moment. Okay, finally got it open. Sorry about that. Okay, so you open it up. It has a little, like, squeezy tube. And then we'll put it, like, right here. So all of these are in that shade. Again, with the chocolate, it's just another brown shade. So all of these are in that, like, pinky brown nude family, which I'm not really mad at because they're so universal. So, okay, yeah, this is a plumping cream from Revlon. Let's see if it says anything. After lining lips with Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner, or you can use whatever lip liner, apply a generous amount of Kiss Plumping Lip Cream for smoother, fuller looking lips. Easy enough. Okay, cool. So, I think my favorite is the Milani. I just love this first shade right here. I think it's so, so pretty. And it smells amazing. So I will try these out more and let you guys know the tea. I'm really anxious to try this lip exfoliator just because, like I said, I have really dry lips. So we will see what happens. We'll see what happens when I use this. Really anxious to try it. And then my mother gets this because I already have this one in Dreamer. I kind of wish this one would have been a different shade because I really do like these. And I want more shades, but it's okay. So overall, you get 6 lip products for $10. And if I remember correctly, this one by itself is like $6. So you're already paying for the box, basically, right there. Yeah, super excited. I feel like I was going to show y'all something else, but I don't remember what it was now. Oh, I just remembered. Okay guys, so I got this super cute purse. I know this is like a really weird camera angle, but I have been looking for a straw purse for so long, and now I finally have one. So, I cannot wait to carry this. It is adorable. I took the strap off and I'm just going to carry it with these handles like up on my shoulder. So, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this purse out. Like, I cannot wait. Because, like I said, we're going to the beach, and yeah, I will be carrying it. Oh, that reminds me, I almost forgot. I got this adorable off-the-shoulder bodysuit. Again, from Walmart. Cannot wait to wear this with some shorts. We're going on a little, tomorrow's Memorial Day. We're going on a little family daycation out of town. And I may wear this because I'm obsessed. I haven't even tried this on, but I know it'll fit me. I love it so freaking much. So much. Oh, and I got a new candle. Let me show you what it looks like. So I got a new candle that looks like this. It says, "Bloom where you were planted." That'll preach within itself. And I love this little jar. My mom actually got me this at the dollar store. I had went to the car and it just is white, but it smells so flippin' good. Why am I saying flippin' so much recently? I don't even know. Guys, I'm not about to try to explain the scent. Y'all know me and scents. Let's be honest. And then I just picked up this new beauty sponge. Literally haven't even used this yet. Trying it out. Just cleaned my brushes right here. Here's me. Hey. Also, what's under my eyes is the blue from the Jacqueline palette. I don't know if I can really see it, but it's like right there. And I also happened to find this moisturizer at Walmart yesterday from Garnier Skincare. You get so much product. You get 6.75 fluid ounces. It's made with green tea and made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, and dyes. 97% naturally derived ingredients. I've only used this once. It's a 3-in-1 moisturizer, day and night, and you can wear it as a mask. But I may use it as a mask like occasionally, but I'm probably just going to use it in the morning because I don't want to clog my pores. Definitely don't want to do that. Alright guys, well I don't want to babble on too much. I just kind of wanted to do the unboxing and show y'all a few new things. I will continue this vlog a little bit later. Alright guys, mwah. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm back, obviously, with another box. It's actually still Sunday from when you saw me previously, but I went to Walmart with my mom and I picked up the eye one, and now I have all of the little boxes. So let's go ahead and open it up and get to the products. I know there's a Lost Paradise in here, so obviously I'm super excited about that. So that is right here. And then there is this is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil in Sleek Onyx 601. So it looks like this. Hopefully it's actually not waterproof, because I'm gonna swatch it. Oh my gosh, just watch how that glides. Actually, this may be like slightly melted because it's been on in the car, so yeah, but that just glides on so nicely, and that is definitely very pigmented and very black. So we will see after this video if it comes off. Then we have an e.l.f. This is an e.l.f. eye pencil in clear. It looks just like this, and it's supposed to be like a waxy. It's obviously not going to show up, so I don't know why I'm swatching it if it's clear, like duh. But it's supposed to just be like a brow gel thing. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know. I may put it in a giveaway. And then there's also a pair of little black Kiss eyelashes. I believe these are the brand Kiss. Yes. These are going in a giveaway. I don't wear lashes, so stay tuned for that. And then we have an All May eyeshadow in the shade Unicorn. That looks like this right here. It's just white. They had a different box with like a brown in it, but I already have tons of brown eyeshadow, so I was like, I'm getting the white to see what all the hoopla is about. If I could get this open, that would be great. Actually, I'll open that in a second. And then the last product in here I'm really excited about. Jesus H. Okay. It's the CoverGirl True Naked Nudes palette. Looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a couple of shades. Okay, that was so easy to get open. Not using this. Seriously. Okay, I'm going to swatch. Let's see. Do these have names on them? Oh, they even have shade names like right here. I don't know if you can tell. Let's go into, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the shade Cocoa, I believe. It looks like just this brown shimmery shade. Oh, that feels really nice. There's some pigment. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. It's a shimmer shade. And I'm going to swatch the second one. It's just like this light transition shade. Okay, I'm excited. I want to use this immediately, like in a video. Cool. Okay, I'll actually go ahead and swatch this black shade right here. Guys, these are pigmented and really like creamy. This feels so good. I know that's a weird spot for a swatch, but I'm kind of running out of space here. All right, let me, hang on. Okay, I'm going to try to open this now. Hopefully I can. BRB. Alright guys, I finally got it open. It had a little sticker over it. But yeah, this is the shade Unicorn. I'm just going to swatch it. Okay, it feels pretty nice, but let's just see. I don't even know where to put this. Okay, so it's, I mean, I don't know. It's there, but it's not. It's there, but I don't know. It's okay. I'll play with it and see. If I don't like it, I may toss that in a giveaway with the lashes and maybe even potentially this. But yeah, so, oh, it's just gonna fall. Alright guys, well I just wanted to hop back on here and unbox that for y'all. So, see you soon.